Do you know two of the most crucial steps when you're purchasing a home? Both of these serve very important functions, ensuring that you, the buyer, is making a sound investment. They both serve different purposes. They involve distinct procedures, but understanding the difference between the two is crucial when you're a buyer purchasing a home. These both can help you navigate the home buying process in greater confidence. Do you know what they are? Stick around. Today we're going to help you understand what the difference between these two things are and how it can help you as a home buyer. Hey, it's Mark here with the Hiller Group, brokered by eXp Realty. My team and I have you covered here along the beautiful Florida Panhandle from Pensacola all the way through Panama City, where our team has been fortunate enough to serve over 1,350 families in the past 10 years alone. So what are these two things? The inspection and the appraisal. So what exactly is an appraisal? An appraisal is a professional assessment of a property's market value conducted by a licensed appraiser. The appraiser evaluates various factors such as home's condition, location, size, and recent sales of comparable properties in the direct area. The purpose of an appraisal is primarily to protect the lender by ensuring that the loan amount does not exceed what the property is actually worth. Key aspects of an appraisal to keep in mind are objective assessment. An appraisal provides an unbiased estimate of the property's market value. Market comparison. Appraisers compare the property to similar homes recently sold in the area to determine its value. Lender requirement. Lenders require an appraisal to ensure that the loan amount is justified by the property's value. Now, what in the heck is an inspection? An inspection is a thorough examination of a property's condition conducted by a professional home inspector, chosen by you, the buyer. The realtor usually has a list of recommendations of trusted professionals because, let's be honest, most buyers don't just know like 10 different home inspectors to choose from. This inspector evaluates the structural and mechanical aspects of the home, including the foundation, roof, plumbing, electric systems, HVAC, and all the general systems of the home. The goal of an inspection is to identify any existing or potential issues that could affect the home's safety, functionality, or value. Key aspects of an inspection to keep in mind: detailed evaluation. Inspectors cover a comprehensive review of the home's physical condition. Identification of issues. Inspectors identify any defects, safety hazards, or necessary repairs that they find the home needs. Buyer protection. Inspections help buyers make informed decisions and negotiate repairs or price adjustments. Here are some differences between an appraisal and an inspection. While both appraisals and inspections are essential in the home buying process, they serve different purposes and focus on distinct aspects of the property. An appraisal determines the market value of the home, whereas an inspection assesses the physical condition of the property. Appraisers focus on market data and comparable sales, while inspectors concentrate on the home's structure and systems. Appraisals primarily protect the lenders, ensuring that the property's value justifies the loan amount. Inspections protect the buyers by identifying potential issues that could affect their investment. Both appraisals and inspections are vital to the home buying process for several reasons. Even for new construction home, it is crucial that you get a home inspection done. Appraisals ensure that the buyers pay a fair price for a home, preventing overpayment. Inspections uncover potential problems that could lead to costly repairs or safety hazards, allowing buyers to make informed decisions before they purchase the home. Inspection reports can be used to negotiate repairs or price reductions with the seller. Appraisals are necessary for securing a mortgage, as lenders need them to confirm a property's value and making sure that it aligns with the loan amount. Both appraisals and inspections protect the buyer's investment, ensuring that the home is worth the purchase price and is in good condition. So what happens if your home doesn't appraise? When your home doesn't appraise for the agreed upon purchase price, several scenarios and actions can follow, depending on the specifics of the situation and the terms of your contract. Here are some common steps and options available. For the buyer, number 1, you can attempt to renegotiate with the seller to lower the purchase price and match the appraised value. Number 2, if you still wanted to proceed with the purchase at the agreed upon price, you might need to make up the difference between the appraised value and the purchase price by increasing your down payment. Number 3, if your contract includes an appraisal contingency, you can use this clause to back out of the deal without losing your earnest money. Number 4, you can request a second appraisal, hoping it comes in at a higher value. However, this will incur additional costs and may not necessarily yield a different result. You may have to switch lenders if you want to go this route. If you are a VA buyer, they have what's called a tidewater when a low appraisal comes in. This is a process where the buyer's agent and the listing agent submit comps that they've found, hopefully to help the appraiser justify the original sale price. This doesn't always result in a change of the purchase price, but I have been successful in multiple tidewater changes over the years. Here are some common steps and options for all of you sellers out there. Number 1, to keep the sale moving forward, you may decide to lower the price and match the appraised value. Number 2, you may consider offering seller financing to bridge the gap between the appraised value and the purchase price. Number 3, you can provide additional information to the appraiser or request a second appraisal if you believe there was errors or that the relevant information was overlooked. Other options may be, if both parties cannot reach an agreement, the sale may be canceled and the buyer's earnest money is typically refunded, assuming an appraisal contingency is in place. Both parties may agree to split the difference, with the seller lowering the price and the buyer increasing their own down payment to cover the shortfall. Here are some legal aspects to keep in mind. The lender bases the loan amount on the lower of the purchase price or the appraised value. So if the home doesn't appraise, the buyer may not qualify for the same loan amount. Review your contract terms to understand the implications and options available to you, particularly any contingencies related to the appraisal. The ability to renegotiate or adjust terms might be influenced by the local real estate market conditions, such as whether it's a buyer's or seller's market. In any case, clear communication and willingness to find a compromise are crucial to navigating the situation successfully. Consulting with your real estate agent and possibly a real estate attorney can also provide guidance tailored to your specific circumstance. Hope you found this video helpful. Hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.